Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. In today's video we are going to upgrade our Laravel application from version 9 to 10, and we are going to follow the process from upgrade guide from Laravel website. So the first will be updating dependencies, and the dependencies is Laravel framework version 10 and Spati Laravel Ignition version 2. And if we want also to update PHP unit, we need to bump Nuno Maduro collision to version 7 and PHP unit version 10. And in here says minimum stability to be able to put to stable. But since Laravel 10 it's not yet out, it's like coming out maybe the next week. If we do that, won't allow us to upgrade. So I'm not adding the minimum stability, but after the Laravel 10 will be officially out, then we can add this as well. I've created a new branch, Laravel upgrade. I already showed you in previous videos how to do that. I'm not like getting there. So opening Composer, we need to bump the Laravel framework to version 10. We need to um, remove lang attributes because lang attributes aren't compatible with version 10. So I'm removing that. Nuno Maduro collision, I said I want to bump to 7 and PHP unit to version 10. So bumping that to version 10 and ignition to version 2. So I did all that. And um, as a security measure, I recommend adding dev latest for Rave security advisories. This will ensure you don't have security vulnerabilities in your packages. So we did all that. Now what it remains, we are like a minimum stability dev. So because of that, I told you that. What remained for us to do is to get inside the container and run composer update. And this will bump our Laravel to version 10. We can like check everything is good. So if we go in here to tutorial.local.com, we are on Laravel 10 version 8.1, so all good with that. Now we need to continue the process and finish the upgrade guide. That was the composer was only the first part, so let's go and continue the process. We did all that. Now for PHP unit we need to remove process uncovered files, so going to PHP unit and remove this. And if I run now PHP artisan test, well, some test fails. So yeah, maybe we need to fix them and check and do what are needed. There are some redirects and stuff. I'm going to like talk you about test in another video. I don't want to complicate things from for now. If you want to make like sooner a video about testing, then I'll do it, but let's keep it simple for now. The tests are it's running correctly, but test failing because various reason. Let's continue. Now we have Redis cache tags that has been rewritten for better performance. So we need to add this command to run hourly. So we go to our kernel, which is console kernel, and add this command to run hourly. And then we don't use any debug yet, so we don't have to do anything here. Query exception as well, ulid don't use. I don't think we're using dates, but let me check just to make sure. We have only model and there is no dates in here. It's only cast, which is good. If we have used dates, uh, we should have removed dates and moved the attributes to cast property. Now, base query we don't use in relation. Language directory is no longer published, but we have it already, so impact none. The logging now, Laravel using Monologue 3, and they are saying like to go to like upgrade guide. I'm going to make a separate video about the best strategy for logging in Laravel. Um, and yeah, I'll make it separate because it's not the scope of this video. And hopefully you'll have a better understanding of Laravel logging. We don't use dispatch and dispatch now. We need to rename the middleware from root middleware to middleware alias. So searching for root middleware, come on. So that's in HTTP kernel. So if I go in here, we'll see deprecated and middleware alias is their replacement. So renaming this to middleware alias. Um, Rate limiter attempt. I don't think we are using rate limiter attempt. We are using rate limiter, but not attempt. So this is like for API the default stuff. Hit clear and available. Yep. Nope. Not the attempt, so we're good. Direct home was removed. I'm not really sure we are using it. Come on. It is root service provider home, so it's not redirect to root home, so we're good. um yeah, let me search it again, so make sure it's not used, so we're good. And the testing, mock, maybe because of this the tests are failing, so mock application services has been removed. Let's see if it's used in any tests. No. So yeah, we'll check that. I didn't get yet so far in the upgrade guide, so we're good. Um, if we have custom validation rules, fail has been like rewritten a little bit. We don't have yet, and that will be all. So this is how um, we upgrade our Laravel application. Hopefully this was like good enough for you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.